Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to schedule emails in HubSpot based on your recipients' time zones. Sending emails at the right time can really boost engagement, so let's dive in. Start by opening your browser and going to the HubSpot website. Click the login button at the top right and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, head to the Marketing tab in the navigation bar and select Email from the drop-down menu. This takes you to your email management section. Choose the email you want to schedule and click Edit. Inside the email editor, look for the Sender Schedule option. Here you can set your email to send at the optimal local time for each recipient. HubSpot automatically adjusts delivery times based on recipients' time zones, so you don't have to set them manually. Take a moment to review your schedule and email content. Once everything looks good, confirm the schedule. HubSpot will handle the rest, sending your email at the right time for each recipient. And that's it. By following these steps, your emails will reach your audience when they're most likely to engage. Thanks for watching and happy HubSpotting.